at it again, brand new reaction, Foolhardy family, back with the vibes, been a while, bro. How you doing?
For real, bro. It's Ramadan, guys, you already know.
Fasting, yeah, it's crazy, bro.
Yeah, we're fasting, for real. We fasting.
Yeah, we're fasting, bro.
Yeah,
it's crazy, bro. But yeah, we gonna get through this, bro.
Of course, guys, we're here because of you guys.
Of course,
so,
we're doing this for you guys.
Yeah.
Only for you guys, man.
Of course, man.
All of you guys.
You. Who was looking at me right now?
Yeah, that guy. And the girl on the left side. You see
bro, you're fasting. Don't talk about gas. That's haram. That's haram, bro. You're fasting, bro. Okay, anyways, guys. We're having a new...
Reaction.
Yeah. Who
is this? This is...
Someone please.
Scrooge.
Yeah, guys. And it has... Oh, damn, bro. It's hard for me to read Russian, bro.
Azimba. Real one.
Yeah, bro, just know that the music name is called Real One. You can just find it down there in our, we'll post it there anyways.
Sure.
So, before we go into the video, guys, you already know.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
Share the video with your friends, family, your enemies, everyone. All the people you hate and love at the same time. Share with
everyone. Of course, guys, of course.
And please tell them that we are trying to translate all the videos.
Yeah, right now we're busy translating all the videos, so guys, please stay tuned.
You heard him, yeah? That is Gideon, the KidCast. Don't forget to follow him too, guys. Yeah, of course. It's a Foolhardy family. Power. Together, bro.
We are strong.
Of course. Let's get into the video then.
Okay, let's go.
How was the next video, bro? I wish.
Black Star.
Улови мой южный акцент. Но зима здесь, это Шымкент. 13-й номер, это Black Star. Это лютый штаб, это Казахстан, детка. Летит по динамикам то, что мы парим на студии ночью. Я знаю, твой парень вообще не готов на меня. Он захоченный торс, папочки Мерс, сыпет лавы. Возникает вопрос, что кроме слов в твоей голове. Сладкий до слез, букетами роз. Все это обман. Меня не ищи, оставь это все, не нужен реванш. Не нужен тот, у кого нет в глазах сомнений. И кто готов пойти со мной на преступление. И знает каждый в этой индустрии bad boy. Нужно знать меня, чтобы быть со мной.
Это твой сладкий, из-за всякой хуйни собирает манатки. Да, он богатый, и каждый день тебе дарит подарки. Моя банда маньяки, новые портаки после вчерашней пьянки. Со мной это вряд ли прокатит. Как ни крути, у меня все в порядке. Я становлюсь с каждым днем на ступень выше. Шампунем запиваю день жище. Строго в своей нише, скоро напишем все, что предначертано свыше. Мы не гонимся за кэшем, конечно. От нашей стаи несет фреш. Скруджи не уравновешен.
Конечно.
Bro, in the beginning I thought that it was an English song.
Yeah.
I thought that she's
the melody.
She doesn't look like she's a Russian. She's
maybe she's not Russian.
She's not Russian. She's
from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan, bro.
Kazakhstan.
Yeah.
How do you know that?
But
she just said here.
She said.
Yeah, she said in the music.
Oh, I didn't.
She's from Kazakhstan, so I was like, oh, damn, the beats. Damn.
The vibe is dope.
The vibe, the video.
Her flow is also dope. I like
the reclamo too.
You drink
energy drink. Not bad, bro.
And something else. We have a more.
Bro, come sit here, man.
More followers from Kazakhstan. Did you know that? When we go live, more guys from Kazakhstan.
Yeah. The ones who always talk to us.
I know a few Kazakhstan people.
That shout out to my brothers from Kazakhstan. Yo. Yeah. Anyways, guys, let's.
This Skripton is from Kazakhstan. You know that?
Skripton.
Это чист.
For real, bro.
Yeah. Bro.
Okay. Good,
man. Come on, let's go further.
Let's go further, yeah?
What do you think about the guy who was rapping?
See, if bro, I was taken by heart, bro. I didn't focus on this guy, for real, bro. Конечно. Let's get it, bro.
Конечно, кто в 13, тот успешен. Ей не нужны мои деньги и мои машины. Ей не нужны эти тряпки и мои картины. Ей не нужны эти все мусы-пусы, будь в курсе. Все это ей даешь ты, все это ей даешь ты.
Папочки Мерс, сыпят лавы. Возникает вопрос, что кроме слов в твоей голове. Сладкий до слез, букетами роз, все это обман. Меня не ищи, оставь это все, не нужен реванш. Не нужен тот, у кого нет в глазах сомнений. И кто готов пойти со мной на преступление. И знает каждый в этой индустрии bad boy. Нужно знать меня, чтобы быть со мной. Не нужен тот, у кого нет в глазах сомнений. И кто готов пойти со мной на преступление. И знает каждый в этой индустрии bad boy. Нужно знать меня, чтобы быть со мной.
У него золотой мерс, у него золотой фон. У него золотой крест, у него золотой фонд. Но ее так тянет ко мне, ко мне. Но ее так тянет ко мне.
Hold up. What is it for? Okay, guys. Anyways, I don't know what did we see. You know, we were fasting, but we're looking at this. Wow, she's so cute. Anyway, stuff. She's cute, man. You guys are the ones who are making us toward this. You see,
Exactly.
guys, the one-
You're breaking our fast.
Yeah, so now they're taking, they're the one taking the scenes, bro. But yeah, we love you guys. We always share, you know, we always share, guys.
Exactly,
So,
exactly.
anyways, I really like the.
It was a dope song.
I
The
really
video
like
was
it.
nice.
Yeah.
They had
That's a real one,
story
for
in
real.
the video that we followed, but mostly we focused on the song.
The money, the money,
yeah,
the money. Yeah, the money, of course. We were focusing on the money, bro.
We gotta get that money, bro.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, man, guys, thank you for watching. This brings us to the conclusion of this video, and thank you guys for staying tuned. Write in the comment section down below what you want us to react to next. Anything, guys, come on, we're here for you guys.
And always, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Comment, follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, we out.
Bye.
Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.